Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a super exciting video. I'm very excited to share it with you. Basically, I have been in contact with this company. They're called Valra Cosmetics. I will leave their link to their website down below. And basically, we have been emailing back and forth, communicating, and they asked me if I would like to kind of enter into like a partnership with them. And I did my review of the company because I didn't want to do anything that I didn't believe in or anything that, I wasn't sure about. I wanted to be 100% sure about, any company that I entered into a partnership or did anything with. So basically, as I mentioned, me and this company, we've been emailing each other, and I checked out their company, I checked out their website, their Facebook page, and I decided, yeah, let's go for this. I really like what I'm seeing. I'm interested in trying these products. And so basically, Valra Cosmetics, they sent me some of their products to test out and review for them. And I'm super excited to be doing that. So basically this video, I'm just going to be showing you the products that I received. And then in a future video, because I'm still testing the products, I don't want to give you my feedback on them until, I've got like a concrete review about how I feel about them. I've been testing out the products for a couple days now, and I just wanted to film this unboxing video with you guys so that you could see the products that I received. I'm excited to share them with you. They're super awesome, super innovative, and I'm excited to be working with this company. I am not being paid for this, but the link that I will leave down below, if you use that link to purchase anything, then I will make commission from it. I just want you guys to know that. And then, like I said, I'm not getting paid for this video, but Valra did send me these products free of charge. So thank you so much, Valra Cosmetics. I have been really enjoying these, and I'm excited to work with you. So thank you so much for reaching out to me. But for now, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So everything arrived in this little bubble mailer, and basically when they reached out to me, they asked if they could send me some of their lip stains for review. And I have seen their lip stains before. I will say that I have seen them. I haven't seen very many reviews of them though, so I was excited to try them out because it is something that like I said, I've seen and I'm interested in it. So they have a set of 6 lip stains, and I did read, and I just dropped it on the floor. I did read on their website that they just updated the packaging, but I have the original packaging. And so they did come in like a little plastic set altogether. So they came in like a plastic cellophane bag. But of course, as soon as I got this, I was excited. I opened it because you all know I'm like the most impatient person in the world. So they sent me their set of 6 lip stains, and these are the lip stains where you apply them and then you let them sit and you peel it off, and it leaves the color on your lips. This is to use kind of in place of a lipstick, so it's not going to smudge as much as like a lipstick, and it's just like gonna leave your lips with a nice flush of color. So I have been testing these out. Not gonna do a full review right now, so keep your eyes out for that review later on. But they did send me their 6 colors, their 6 shades, and I have lovely peach right here, rose pink, watermelon, sexy red, cherry red, and this is sweet orange. So these are the 6 shades. I will be swatching them in my actual review of those lip products video, so that you can see the color. Again, this is just an unboxing telling you about their products and their company. And then they asked and they said, if there's anything else that you would like to try, just let us know. And the thing that I was most excited and most interested in trying was this. This is their long-lasting eyebrow stain in dark brown. Now I have seen this around. This is the same thing as the lip products. You swipe it in your brows, let it sit, let it dry, and then you peel it off and it leaves a stain on your skin. Now I know Maybelline came out with one of these, but I think they only marketed it in Asia, and I have been dying to get my hands on that one because my eyebrows, like, obviously I fill them in. I use dip brow pomade, but sometimes on like less makeup days, I want to just do them a little bit lighter, and sometimes dip brow pomade is too heavy and I don't like how they look with a pencil. And so I've been really interested in trying an eyebrow stain, and so when I saw this on their site, this is one of the things that sold me on it, was trying this product. And you guys, again, not gonna do a full review right now, but you guys, eyebrow stain. Eyebrow stain. It's good. I like it. So then I also am testing out their mascara and fiber, their fiber mascara. So you have the little transplant gel, the mascara right here with the wand. And then you also have this little one, which is the fibers. Now, this to me, it reminds me of like the Unique fiber mascara, that brand Unique, and so I was really interested in trying these out. So I am testing the lip products, I'm testing the eyebrow stain, and I'm testing the mascara and the fibers to give you guys my final feedback. But I am super excited about this, about working with this company. They have been nothing but genuine and super awesome and helpful with the emails and getting back to me quickly, and I really appreciate that. This is my first like partnership with a company, and I try my best to be as honest and transparent with you guys as possible, and I really feel like I have the ability to do that with this company. I'm very excited to be working with them, and I'm very excited that they reached out to me and considered me, and it made me feel really good because they mentioned in their email that they found me because of my review videos on YouTube and through my Instagram page. So thank you, Valra Cosmetics, so much for reaching out to me again. I am super excited about these products. I will have reviews coming very soon. Keep your eyes out for those. I will keep you updated on my Instagram page. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will leave Valra's link down below. And yes, I will make commission if you use it to purchase a product. Just wanted to let you guys know. So thank you again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me.